Going to Tybee Island. We're almost here.
What are you doing here?
Oh, turd crossing, Ryder. That's what that sign said. Turd crossing.
Let's go.
Hello, Ryder.
Hey, everyone. Are you doing YouTube video?
Yeah.
Yeah, we almost here at the
We're here. Yay. On the beach. It's so rainy now. So rainy. We're up under the pier. See what it's raining? That's so pretty. This is Tybee Island. This is where actually Ryder was grew up close to here. At Fort Stewart, so we used to come here all the time when he was a little baby. Didn't we, Rye? You remember coming here when you were a little baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's okay, come on! She's scared of the ocean. Say it's still raining, but we're having fun, aren't we?
Yeah.
She's picking up shells and putting them in her bucket. Where are you going? Oh my goodness! Are you okay? Yeah, are you okay? They're teaching how they get turtles or something over there. Splish splash. Splish splash. You bringing me more sand? Oh, thank you. Thank you for my sand. And here come Daddy and Ryder. They had to go get Ryder's goggles. Ryder insists on having his goggles. Oh. Why do you have your little life jacket on? I made him bring his life jacket. You gonna go in the ocean with your life jacket?
This might be.
Is it too little? You look silly.
Where's my life jacket?
Oh, honka honka. I'm talking to you. He lost his pants. Did you get water in your ear?
In my nose, too.
Oh, it's in your nose?
Look at that little jacket.
I know, it looks so tiny on him.
Are you gonna go back to school? Is that fun?
You found more?
Yeah.
I thought I told you not to put sand in there anymore. There they go back out there. Yeah, we only live, well, we live about 3 hours, 2.5 hours if traffic's good and you drive fast and you don't stop to pee, but that's kind of impossible with kids and being a woman. So it's about 3 hours from here, from where we live, and we plan on just making this a day trip, attempting to make it a day trip. I don't know, we might spend the night. I'm not sure yet, but I left the back door unlocked, so my mother-in-law can't get in our house to let the dogs out, so I think we will just make this a day trip. Adeline! Come back this way. actually want to go paddle boarding, but I don't know if I want to go paddle boarding in this water with it storming like this. Go runner! Go runner! Where'd your swimming pool go? You don't know? You lost your pool? There it is. Your pool. Oh no! They're out there swimming again. Ryder's a little water bug. He loves the water. Playing in the ocean. Adeline finally got used to it. I had to go out there with her and hold her hand. Get the water out. Going to get something to eat. Something to eat. Are you gonna catch a bird? Go catch a bird. He tried to wave at him. Oh, he flew up there. He wants some ice cream. He wants some ice cream. Got some ice cream. Got some ice cream. Ryder got his favorite, Superman. Superman, your favorite? And Adeline got her favorite, vanilla. Superman tastes just like vanilla, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does. It's just different colors. It's pretty cool.
How about you do it just like a dog body?
All right, come on, guys. They're burying Ryder.
I'll get
This was your decision.
I'm an it. I'm an it.
Mommy, stretch it.
Mommy, stop my nose.
We should have saved some of that hot dog bun and put it all over him and let seagulls eat off of him.
Yeah, my
All right, now we just gotta level them out. Mommy, yes. Yeah. Got it?
Yeah?
Alright, you're good. Buried. That's buried.
You're buried in the sun. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You sand monster.
Go under. Okay. Okay.
You burying Adeline?
Yeah.
Just her feet. She said just her feet. And your tummy? Adeline looks like a mermaid. A mermaid tail. Beautiful. Whoa, you gotta go rinse off. Rinse it all off. Now the sun finally came out. It's beautiful. Ryder's totally peeing in the ocean right now. Somebody call the wall.
He didn't want to. He didn't want to.
He probably has stage fright. No, he didn't want to. He was like, no, I'll just pull down my shorts. And we're like, no, don't pull down your shorts. We'll have to see if he did it. I'm like I'm not filming him. Oh God, he's like, oh, that little boy's coming to me. I just feed. I'm trying to feed. He's gonna get my feet. Look, he moved. He must not have went yet. Let's hear what he has to say. Good? You can't? Why not? You have stage fright?
Come on.
Daddy'll take you. Oh my goodness, she caught a creature. She caught a creature. Ooh, don't put it right there. Ooh, don't put it right there. What is that thing? What is that thing? Yeah, what is that thing?